Ranjan of the Congress party, a vocal critic of Mamata Banerjee, now responding to whatever is going on in Kolkata, and this is what he has gone on to say. I'm quoting: "The task of IPAC in Bengal is to ensure that the Trinamool Congress wins elections at any cost. For this, they are willing to go to any extent and even issue instructions. These individuals act as the eyes and ears of the TMC. IPAC itself does not contest elections, but it controls the internal functioning of the Trinamool Congress."
में ये जो आईपैक की जो बात कही जा रही है, इनका काम ये है कि सत्तारूढ़ टीएमसी को किसी हालत में चुनाव में जिताना, और इसके लिए ये हर हद तक जाने के लिए बिल्कुल तैयार भी है, सलाह भी देते हैं। मान लीजिए यही सत्तारूढ़ टीएमसी पार्टी की एआर्स है ना, आईज है, नाक भी है, कान भी है। इनकी बदौलत ममता बनर्जी चुनाव लड़ती है। और ये जो आईपैक, ये आईपैक से चुनाव ही नहीं लड़ते। टीएमसी पार्टी की जो सारे संगठन है ना, संगठन में कौन कौन पद पे बैठेगी, कौन कहां के नेता होगी, इसके लिए बोली लगाई जाती है, और ये बोली लगाने में ये लोग शामिल होते हैं। और इसमें जो पैसा मतलब ये उसूला जाते हैं, ये सारे पैसा सत्तारूढ़ पार्टी की दफ्तर में पहुंचा देते हैं और उससे इनका हिस्सा ले लेते हैं। यही है आईपैक की असलियत। तो ये इसके खिलाफ क्या मतलब कंप्लेंट्स है, क्या शिकायत है, मुझे इतना जानकारी नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे ताज्जुब लग रहे हैं। एक कॉर्पोरेट एंटिटी है आईपैक, उनके हुआ कोई छापा मारते जा रहे हैं। ममता बनर्जी इतना क्यों चंचल हो रहा है, बेचैन क्यों हो रही है? इतना बेचैनी के कारण क्या है? जबकि ईडी सीबीआई से आईपैक वाले ही नहीं, बल्कि कलकत्ता और देश में कहीं कहीं जगह ये छान।
Let me take this across to Kamalika. Kamalika, this fresh statement that has come in from Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, he does intend to attack the Trinamool Congress, but in a sense, he's also going ahead and legitimizing the very claims that TMC has been making against the BJP in this case, that this is a politically motivated ED witch hunt, all of this to in fact, capture all of the political secrets of the Trinamool Congress, because after all, IPAC is the IT cell, consultancy firm that is under Pratik Jain.
See, clearly, obviously, Congress is also against BJP, and definitely because it is not only always Trinamool Congress issue, it's also Congress issue, and they have been telling that BJP has been using ED and CBI. So definitely, though Adhir Chaudhary might have differences, very strong differences with Mamata Banerjee, but in this case, he clearly stated something like this. And on the other hand, the fact that pointing out of what is the role of IPAC, and because people out in Bengal and nationally also people know that IPAC is an institution, organization which works for Trinamool Congress. Yes, it also works for other parties. It's not that only for Trinamool Congress that IPAC works, but here in Bengal, it is, the IT posts or the IT sharings which happens, that is from the office of IPAC also. So that is the reason for which, such a reaction is coming from Adhir Chaudhary, because both for Trinamool Congress and Congress, BJP is trying to use ED and CBI. That is a common thing which they have been saying, and that's the reason for which Adhir Chaudhary's reaction is like that. But the biggest story definitely is, and the ramification which is coming out of today's that such a drama, is definitely Mamata Banerjee sitting here, which clearly shows, and she exerts a political pressure on that she is a victim, Trinamool Congress is a victim. On the other hand, the BJP clearly stating, questioning that why did Mamata Banerjee not go to that place when Partha Chatterjee's house was raided, when Jyotipriya Mallik's house was raided, when other ministers got arrested. Madan Mitra was behind the bar, Sudip Bandyopadhyay was behind the bar. She did protest, she went to the road, but not like this. When a raid is going on, she actually stormed into the raid. There were several questions are being raised by BJP, but none other than the fight, the battle.
Absolutely.
The temperature is soaring high, the battle temperature is soaring high for Bengal, because the election is coming, it's knocking on the door, and definitely the narratives have been said and the optics have been said, and the clear fight is seen
Talk about
now.
getting involved. She literally stormed into the residence of Pratik Jain and took the documents from within the clutches of the Enforcement Directorate, and that's how dramatic this entire development from Kolkata really is. I'd like